If you crack your back for relief, the relief isn't coming from alignment. It's coming from a sudden pressure change inside the spinal joints. That popping sound isn't bones moving, it's gas bubbles collapsing in joint fluid, which briefly relaxes the surrounding muscles. But if you keep cracking your back, stabilizing ligaments slowly stretch and weaken. The spine becomes less supported, nerves become more sensitive, and over time, your back can feel stiff and painful, even without movement. That's when cracking stops helping and starts becoming the problem.